Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Hello, Anthony, Aaron, Roslan. Yeah. Okay, AX. Okay, capital A, Hum Industry, more Sasbadi. Okay, no problem. Later we will go through one by one. Okay, so before we start, please help me to click like, okay, and also share this video lah, so we can get more viewers to join our live session. Hello, Chun Kamok. Okay, Scan Wolf. Okay, good evening, MK Wong. Okay, so today content. Okay, let's warm out with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI, and only follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan. Okay, either you are looking for entry or you already entered. Okay, your average price. You're looking for the next support or resistance so that I can give a better opinion. Okay, based on the TA point of view. And disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, so please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, let's warm up first. Okay, warm up with the market outlook. Okay, so far US side is bearish lah. Okay, as we can see, weekly point of view, last week candle is pretty bearish. Okay, seems like I expect market may have some sell down. Okay, further sell down for the US side. Okay, so for their immediate support 32.8k. Okay, if this level still unable to hold, we are seeing the 32k level lah. Okay, for US the Dow Jones. Okay, S&P as well. Okay, last week weekly closing also not so strong, and for me it's bearish lah. Okay, they already broke below 4,003, broke below 4,276. Okay, and I seeing they might retest 4,080 level. Okay, Nasdaq as well also bearish. Okay, temporarily for Nasdaq, their immediate support should be 14.2k. Okay, if this level can hold, maybe got some short-term bounce up. So tentatively, the market strategy for me lah, okay, US market, any pullback is an opportunity to short, unless market oversold for many days. Only look for the potential rebound. Okay, how about the oil price? Okay, so far oil price weekly point of view, last week considered not too bad. Okay, able to recover back above $88. And this week, okay, for oil, they need to go above, okay, need to prove that they can stay above $88. Okay, if able to stay above, we are seeing oil to re-challenge 92, $93. Okay, so far oil seems like still slight bullish. And for the gold price, last week is pretty bullish as well. And they close at the resistance, which is 1980. And the next resistance for gold is 2000. And I see they do have potential to test 2000. And do take note on the extreme level for gold price 2050, 2070. Okay, this is a 3 years data lah. Okay, we can see since 2020 and 2022 and recently, okay, they tested third time already. Okay, 2050, 2070 is the strong resistance for gold price. Okay, how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, so far Bitcoin is weekly lah. Okay, weekly point of view, they are closing bullish and break above 200 weeks moving averages, break above 29k, and we are seeing they might go to retest 31.5k. Okay, which is a next strong resistance for Bitcoin. And Ethereum a bit struggle, but they are still above the uptrend channel support. Okay, so I think they do have potential follow the Bitcoin lah. Okay, for the immediate resistance should be somewhere around 1007. If able to break above, I think do have chance to challenge 2000 for the Ethereum. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, last week for me it's neutral. Okay, they didn't go anywhere. So if we base on a daily chart, we can see our FBM KLCI. Okay, since mid October until now, they are just trading within the range. Okay, within 1433 to 1446. Okay, today a little bit breakdown 1440, closing 1438, but currently they are at the 200 MA support. But with the global market sentiment not so strong, okay, I guess they might come back down to test probably 1433 or even break below 1433. But I hope that they can go sideways lah. Okay, at least go sideways and then wait until market sentiment turns better, then they rebound up. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed for the stocks Q&A. And before that, please help me to click like and also share this video so we can get more viewers to join in our live session. Okay, let's review. First one from Anthony, review Susbody EP175. Okay, let's see. Susbody. Oh, not so good. Today break. Today close 170. Okay, EP175, S1, S2, R1, R2. Okay, at the moment, what I see on the Susbody, they are at one of the crucial support, which is 170. Okay, they already broke 175, lah, which is somewhere around 200 MAs. But I give them buffer until 170. Okay, as you can see, they've been supported here quite well. Okay, but based on current momentum, I feel okay the chances of breaking down is there. Okay, as explained in my YouTube channel yesterday, right? I do review these counters already. So, what I think is the bear is stronger than the bull. If 170 still unable to hold, their next immediate support is somewhere around 145. Okay, as you can see, back in 2021, this Susbody also do a similar stuff. Okay, they also pump up and go sideways. Once breakdown, they go downtrend. Okay, currently they also have another similar trend. Pump up, go sideways. Okay, if this time, okay, 170 unable to hold, I think history may repeat. Okay, just take note. Okay, they did it 2 years ago, they also could do it now. And also the moving averages already show weakening. Okay, 2050 and 100 MAs already crossing down, slope down, and currently is attempt to break down 200 MAs, and also the MACD also looks weak lah. So the chances of breaking down is there. Okay, I need a confirmation If tomorrow close below 170, I think next support is about 145. Okay, if they are able to bounce from here, okay, we need to take note on the strong resistance, which is somewhere around 195.20 cents. Okay, how about KTC? Kim Tech Chong. Oh, also sell down. Oh, not so strong, not so nice already. Based on today's candle, they break below 260. Okay, if speaking about since you EP 255, okay, the game is still on for you. We use a 200 MAs as our support which is somewhere around 245. Okay, there's 200 MAs, 100 MAs, and 50 MA, and this zone, which is around 245. Okay, if they come back to retest and get supported, maybe the transfer is still there. Okay, but if they break below 245, we are seeing here 225 to 230. Okay, if they are able to bounce up, resistance 280, 295. Okay, next is the AGMO, more. Okay, Amor is still weak as expected lah. Okay, they are still washing down. Okay, volume not so much lah, so it's still alright. And yeah, overall momentum is weak lah. To be honest, the MACD also looks weak. Okay, they just recently tested 200 MAs, unable to go through, sell down. Okay, just like here lah. They hit 200 MA, sell down here. So recently also hit here. So they are approaching 560. Okay, if this level also fail to hold, okay, they might go to 540 or even lower. Okay, maybe 520 also possible. Okay, if this level unable to hold 560. Okay, next level I would see around 540 lor. Okay, 560 break, 540. Okay, overall they are still weak. Okay, still very weak. Okay, how about we go for the Capital A, Air Asia. Okay, AirAsia, as I mentioned before, their support is 80 cents, 810. Okay, which was a resistant. Okay, back in March, April, May, June. Okay, was a resistant. Now turn it into support. And also nearby the 200 MAs, which is around 820. Okay, and also AirAsia been sell down for 3 days. Okay, including today, retest 80 cents. Okay, if you are interested with discounters, we only can do a bounce off trade. Okay, because the overall sentiment is still favor to the bear. Okay, what I see is maybe due to the oversold, okay, they could have chance to bounce off. Okay, just a rebound trade. So if you are interested, cut loss, if they go below 80 cents. Okay, cut loss if they go below 80 cents. Closing price below 80 cents. I think they still got room to fall lah. Okay, probably next support is around 730 already. Okay, if 80 cents fail to hold, next support 730. So currently is a level for us to maybe you can try for the rebound trade. But if the rebound fail, you need to cut loss. Otherwise, you will have another sell down. You will see another sell down to somewhere around 730. Okay, so for me, this level can consider with your cut loss, okay, below 80 cents. Okay, must cut loss if we are wrong. Okay, how about the AAX? Oh, AAX is still selling down. Okay, for me, the ideal level to KIV is 160. Okay, not a buy call for this one, okay, but we need to monitor what happened when they visit this zone. Okay, so tentatively the selling pressure is still there. Okay, wait 160. We see any chance at the 200 MAs level. Okay, overall indicator all is still favor to the bear. Okay, so if you are buying up, you are against the trend. Okay, just doing the counter trend trade. So we just expect a bounce rebound trade only. Okay, how about the hum industry 160? This one is still in the sideway. Okay, for me, short term is slightly weak, and recently they bounce up. Okay, bounce up, unable to go through 180, which is unable to go through 2050 MA lah. Then they sell down. Currently, they are at one of the tiny support lah, I would say. Okay, previously I see the support as 166. Okay, now at one of the minor support, which is 162. And the chances of breaking down is there. Okay, even they bounce out, I don't think can go up too much lah. Okay, if they can bounce up, probably max I see lah. Okay, 170 only. Okay, if they can bounce out, I see 170, then they continue sell down. Okay, next stronger support, I would say somewhere around 150, 152. Okay, for discounters. Overall, they are weak lah. Okay, if the, since your EP is somewhere around 160, you still got room to play around lah. You can monitor 162 as your support. And if they can bounce up, you can see whether you want to take profit or partial profit at 170. Okay, how about the Pelican? Pelican also started to turn weak already. EP 840 today closing 855. S1 S2 R1 2. Okay, Pelican already break down 870. Okay, in my opinion, is they might have a stronger correction down to probably somewhere around 80 cents or 760. Okay. So unless by tomorrow they can recover back above 870, then okay. Otherwise, I'm not so positive with them. And for your immediate support, okay, which is a extreme level, okay, which is 840. Okay, if can stay, maybe you still can hold on. But if they go below, probably they might revisit 80 cents or 760 level. Okay, next one is a scan wolf. Okay, Scanwolf overall, I think they are still fine. Okay, attempt to break out on 2nd of October. Okay, fear, but they still managed to make a comeback lah. Okay, back in 10, 9 and 10 of October. Okay, overall the volume momentum, I think they are still fine. Okay, MACD momentum is still alright. And recently break out above 50 cents. Okay, although the charts looks like quite illiquid lah. Okay, but overall I think they are still fine. If able to go up further, take note on your next resistance 560. Okay, 560. If they are able to clear, then 60 cents, 625. Okay, overall, MACD momentum. Oh yeah, I think it's still all right lah. Okay, if they break below 50 cents, then the momentum would be slightly weaker. Last defense 470 for them. Okay, below 470 confirm the rebound, the breakout fear already. And yeah, based on the volume momentum, I feel there are still potential. Okay, there are still potential. Just the chart looks illiquid lah. Okay, how about the beta? Hold on, BETA. Oh, jialat. Okay, beta. Mayday, not so good. Okay, EP, you're looking. Okay, beta is still very weak. Okay, if we look at the bigger pictures, okay, we can see beta, they since IPO last year, they only spike for 1 day. Second day, sell down. Okay, then February this year, they do have a small rally up lah. Okay, then follow with the pump and dump lah. So currently they break below 430, which is a crucial support for beta, already broke down. So for me, overall, the bear is still in control. Okay, even you buy in just for a rebound trade. Okay, their next support, I would say somewhere around 370, which was a support back in November 2022. Okay, when the price sell under oversold, they bounce from here. So we see their next support 370. Okay, for me, if you want to bottom fish or what, this is just a rebound trade only lah. Okay, the overall bearish sentiment is still quite strong. Okay, so how about the unique? Unique. Oh nah. Okay. Okay, R1 for unique. Okay, this one, the structure I think is still healthy. Okay, it's still okay. Okay, even though they had a attempt breakout on 11 and 12 of October and then gonna wash down lah. Okay, so far 220 is still supported and today they do have good volumes to push out. So currently they are at your immediate resistance lah, 240, 245. Okay, because this breakout fear already they press down. So 240, 245 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, you can say 245 lah. Okay, if you want to use a recent high, okay, recent high is about 255. Okay, but I think if you are looking for the far yeah, a bit far resistant is about 275, which was a extreme level back in last year December. Okay, if they yeah, overall I feel potential lah. Okay, MACD is neutral, more to sideways, but based on the volume, all I think is okay. I hope that they can break and stay above 240, then okay. Okay, then we can see around 275. Okay, 275. Okay, comment on MNH holding, MNH holding WA. MNH holding. Okay, we go for this one first. Okay, so far this one is still healthy. Breakout on Thursday, which is they break above 390, and also is resistant back in February. Okay, so consider they are at the all-time high already. Okay, current price lah. So if we base on the Vivo to project the resistance is about 480, a bit far. Okay, I forgot why I put 445 already. Should be okay, should be here lah. Okay, understood already. Okay, so overall they are still okay. Just take note on yeah, I guess they might go sideways dulu. Okay, if they go sideways and stay above 390, okay, you are still safe. Okay, based on here lah. Okay, based on what I see here. Okay, they push up. Okay, and the volume diminishing, so they go sideways. Okay, recently they also push up, the volume also diminishing. So I expect maybe the next few days they might go sideways dulu. So long they are above 390, the breakout is still considered valid. Okay, so this one for me is still alright. Okay, still alright. How about the sun? Oh, so fast got sun already. Last year Balu come out only March already got sun Okay, so same lah. Okay, also okay. They break out. Okay, high volume on last Thursday as well. Today a little bit profit taking lah. Okay, a little bit profit taking. But so long the mother share is above 390, I think the sun should be alright. But sun a little bit profit taking lah in my opinion. Momentum is still alright. So most importantly, the price cannot go below 195. Okay, stay above there, still alright. Your immediate support is 220. Okay, B auto Okay, B auto so far so good. So far they are still above the 20 MA, also above 240, above 245. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, and take note on the resistance 252. Okay, only MACD looks a little bit weak lah. So doesn't mean anything. Okay, just means maybe the upside is limited. They might just go sideways dulu. Okay, so take note on 240. So long the price above 240, I think the uptrend is still intact. Okay, RHB. Okay, RHB currently at the resistance. If we zoom out, okay, nothing much. Okay, based on recent performance, what we can see here is MACD is more on sideway. Okay, but now they are at one of the resistance now, 560. Okay, been tested multiple times. I'm unable to go through. Okay, but overall trend, I would say they are still in the uptrend mode lah. Okay, just that you can see their pattern is quite boring when it's go sideways one. Okay, so if we draw the support resistance okay, support resistance. Hold on let me see how. Okay, and then here. Okay, you can see since last year May or last year April, they can sideway until this year July. Okay, means they could sideway for more than a year. Only break up. Okay, so currently they are at the new zone. So I expect they might just sideway for another few months lah. Okay, so overall they are still in the bull mode still bullish. Okay, how about the TM? Okay, TM they are at the resistance now. Okay, 510. Okay, but overall momentum, I would say they are in a bullish mode. Okay, and 200 MAs is at 492. Okay, only they need to break out. Okay, they need to break out 510 being resisted 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, currently tested against. Okay, once they can break out 510 and stay above 510, I think next resistance is 550 already. Okay, pending for the breakout, and I think they do have potential lah. Okay, and yeah, hopefully don't break below 490 lor. Okay, I put 490 lah. Okay, so long above 490, I think the bullish momentum is still possible. Still got still got chance lah. Okay, comment on Jackson and Ramzo Let's see Jackson. Oh yo, lagi ada volume come in Okay, Jackson I've been explained before lah. Okay, they just done a pump and dump back in June. Okay, second pump in July, not so much strength. And recently they also got a pump. Okay, when was that? 9th of October, 10th of October, but still unable to go through 225. Okay, so today another high volume pump in lah. Okay, so far they haven't break below 190, so do have potential to pump out lah. So do take note lah. 225 is your resistance. Okay, been tested already. If they can break through, you only see 260. Okay, if they are fail to go back above, break above 225, okay, this is a resistance to maybe at least the partial and wait for them to smash down again, then you re-enter. Okay, RHB Jackson Renzo. Okay, so for the Jackson, the support immediate lah is 205, resistance 225. Okay, and if they can break through, we only see 260 lah. But I feel they currently still have many victims here lah. So very difficult for them to go up further lah. Okay, maximum I see 260 lah tentatively. Okay, how about the Ramzo? Remzo still in the sell mode. Okay. They already break below 420, unfortunately lah. Okay. Previously they break down here. Second day got hammer, but no rescue. Okay. Next day is a bearish candle. Okay. Even Thursday supported 420, bounce up. Friday you can see end of day the candle is pretty ugly. Okay. It's like end of day got the seller come in to press down. And today break 420. Okay, so for Renzo is not in a good shape. So for the next support, maybe we would see somewhere around the 200 MAs 380. Okay, wait around 380. See any chances? Tentatively they are still weak. MACD is still favor to the bear. Okay, so wait for here and the support turn into resistance, which is 420, 435. Okay, would be your resistance. Okay, PUC want to buy 5 cent. Let's see. Okay. Due to PUC on Friday, they do have a pump up and pump down. Okay. So today with a bearish candle, I expect actually not much meaning on Friday volumes and the movement. Okay, just a pump and dump down. So I expect they might retest a 4 cents level or yeah 0.035 level lah. Okay. 0.04 and 0.035 would be your support zone. Okay, let's see any chance. But this one I would say a bit boring lah. Okay, they might go sideways forever or at least few weeks or few months lah. Okay, so next one is me and Evergreen. We go for the me first. Okay, me looks good Correct this one is our me. Oh yeah, they break through 175 on Friday. Okay, a breakout Friday and today another follow up push up. So for me, okay, looks good and momentum looks still all right. Okay, so I think they are still good. Okay, their next resistance 192 and 2 ringgit. Okay, let's see on the smaller time frame anything. Okay, 10:45, 11, they do have high volume pump in, then they go sideways lah. But momentum all I think is still all right. Okay, let's see where's their immediate support 180, 184. Somewhere here 181 Okay, so long tomorrow the price above 180 lah. Okay, maybe I give them buffer lah. So long the price above 180, the short-term momentum should be still all right. Okay, so this one day trade all I think is still okay lah. Okay, because if you just plan to go in a little bit too late, but if you just do for the day trade or short-term trade, I think it's still all right. Okay, so long the momentum volume is still there. Okay, how about the Evergreen? Sorry. Okay, Evergreen is still in the sideway. Okay, even though end of September they do have a high volume pump out. Okay, and looks like a breakout trade lah. Okay, but the next few days the market press down and market continue go sideways. Okay, high volume pump out on 12th of October, but unable to go through 360, gonna press down sideways and currently supported by 320, volume boleh tahan, supported by 320 lah. Okay, MACD momentum not so strong. Okay, I would say they might go sideways, but these counters I think is still worth to put in watch this. Okay, so long the price so long the price above 200 MAs, which is above 310, I think I feel they are still worth to KIV and the immediate support, which is somewhere around 320 lah. Okay, if you don't want 320, 325 also can. Okay, 325, no game if they go below 310. Okay, and resistance to take note 345, 360. Okay, which was a gap lah. Okay, once they can go through, then 375 ready or 380 I would say. Yeah, 380 also can lah. Okay, so this one put in watch list. Okay, good case studies. Okay. Next one is Anju. Okay, me also okay. Okay, me also okay. Can put in a watch list. Okay, Anju not in a good shape. Okay, Anju break down already. Okay, Anju ever since beginning of October lah, which is somewhere around 9 of October, they break below 200 MAs. Even bounce up, also get resisted. Okay, today break 112, which is their last defense. Okay, 112 they already break down. So for me, Anju is not in the good shape. Okay, and the next support maybe we can see somewhere around 103 to 1 ringgit. Okay, which is a support back in May, June, July. Okay, wait around here. And today sell down with a high volume lah. So for me, it's not in a good shape. Okay, even they can bounce out, you can see any resistance at 112 or not. Okay, if they can recover back above 112 by tomorrow, then okay. Okay, otherwise, we wait lower lah. Okay, how about the TH plantation? Not good also. Ay, susah. Currently, most of the counters are in a red mode lah. And TH Plantation break ever since they break below 515 already not in a good shape and recently break 50 cents. So for these counters, their next support 475. Okay, I feel you better don't catch lah. Okay, better don't catch. Wait for them to stabilize first lah. Okay, maybe you can set alerts at 475. We see any support over there. Okay, still not in a good shape. Okay, how about the FP group? Okay, FP group today got high volume pump in. Okay, yes, on Fridays. Okay, let me see. Friday volume consider okay. And today got a clearer signal. Okay, today finally break out lah. Okay, after so many months. Okay, last year they do have a breakout above 200 MAs before, but only last for a few months. Okay, this year February they go back below 200 MAs, and you can see back in July they get resisted by 200 MAs, and also here April. So the resistance 455. Okay, as already proven is a they tested twice lah this level. So take note on this resistance 455. If able to go through, only see 475. And if the chances are, I mean the momentum is still continue, only see 490. Okay, based on today volumes, I feel they do have potential lah. Okay, for the breakout trade. Okay, even the MACD looks okay. Let me see. 50-minute charts. 9 a.m. they pump in already. So must be with some good news lah, right? So 9 a.m. only high volume pump in. But so far not really have anyone take profit yet lah. Okay, based on this 50-minute charts. And especially 430 and 445 they also got volume pump in. So far I can see today is a uh can say it's a net buyer for these counters. Okay, so long they are above 430, yeah, I think pretty good. Okay, still, yeah, worth to put in the watch list. Okay, so long the price above 430, I think the breakout is still considered valid. And yeah, I think this one also worth to put in the KIV or put in your watch list lah. Okay, today got at least two counters we can put in the watch list to do a case studies already. Okay, Coraja is still in the sell mode. Okay, even though they do have appeared some bullish divergence, but the price action, the momentum is still not favor to the bull side yet. Okay, and today continue sell down, break 570. Seems like they are heading to 520, which is the level back in last year July. Okay, last year also similar lah. Okay, they also sell down and then they hit the bottom. Okay, which is their extreme level somewhere around 520. Wait somewhere around there and see any chance. Okay, how about the Chen Gear? Changil is still weak. Okay, below all moving averages. Okay, break 200 MAs. Okay, overall they are still in a bear mood. Okay, if we speak about their extreme level, okay, back in June last year, 330. Okay, wait somewhere around there. We see any opportunity. Okay, don't simply catch the low. Okay, JTSA also recently break 20 MA. MACD also crossed down. So for the strongest, okay, they currently try attempt to stay above 840 lah, which was the resistance turn support. Okay, if happen they break down 840, their next stronger support I would say somewhere around here, 715 So for this one, the chances of breaking down below 840 is there. Okay, just in case I'm wrong lah. Okay, you take note 840. If they break down, most likely they might slowly sell down to test the. I mean the next stronger support lah. I would say somewhere around 71215. Okay, so for JTSA and comment on Cloud Point. Cloud Point. Okay, Friday. Okay, Friday they do have support come in with high volume. Okay, supposedly with this candle, we today must see a bullish candle, but no lah. Okay, we can see today is a bearish candle. So for Cloud Point, okay, looks short term point of view, looks weak. Okay, but you do take note on this level 580. Okay, 580 is a support that must hold lah. Okay, if they break down, we might see they go down to 565, 550 level. Okay, so MACD is still favored to the bear. So for this one is weak. Okay, in my opinion. Okay, how about the MRCB? MRCB breakdown 425 already. Okay, so last Wednesday they are still above 445. Thursday breakdown lah. Okay, Friday another breakdown. Okay, break to support already. So MRCB is weak. Okay, it's weak. So their next support, if we see here, okay, even though here is a immediate support lah, 395. Okay. So they already sell down for quite many days since 13th of October. Now already 23 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already sell down for 7 days already. So in my opinion okay, they could have chance to bounce up due to oversold. Okay, just bounce and continue sell down. Okay, just a day trade opportunity for the bottom fishing for those fast hand players lah. Okay, if you are interested to do a bounce off trade, take note on the support is a 395, cannot break down. Okay, let me see on the 50-minute charts. Okay lah, 10:45. Okay, what we can see on today's price session during 9 a.m. sell down, 9:15 sell down, but the volume comes in, okay, 10:45. And the remaining days is go sideways lah. So from here, maybe I can put my support up to here. Okay, 40 cents. Okay, they do have some support when they hit 40 cents. Okay, based on here, what I feel is because most volume accumulated here, so they could have chance for the short term bounce up. So if they are able to bounce out, you see 425, 445, just a short term trade, okay? Not for entire days. Because the big trend is still in the bear mode. Okay, for this recent sell down lah. But I feel they do have potential to have a short term bounce lah. Okay, so next one is if whoever bought at the high you can consider to reduce your losses if they are able to bounce as high as possible. Okay, how about the Hub Seng Genting Malaysia Genting? Okay, we go for the Hub Seng first. Okay, Hub Seng also finally lah. Okay, after push out for so many days, created so many FOMO. Okay, so we can see Friday already started to sell down. Today open gap down, close low. Okay, my ideal level for Hub is somewhere around 470. Okay, 5 ringgit is a psychology level. We also need to respect. We see any support at 5 ringgit. If they break 5, then you see 470 lah. Okay, with current market sentiment is weak, so yeah, Hub may come down as well lah. How about the sorry, wrong Genting Malaysia. Okay, sell mode is still on for Genting Malaysia ever since they break below the 200 MAs. Okay, if we zoom out, okay, based on this few year performance, okay, what we can see on Genting Malaysia, actually the high is getting lower and lower. Okay, compared to 2021, okay, you can see 2021 high and 2022 high is getting lower and lower. Hold on. And based on here, what you can see on the rebound area back in 2021 May, 2022 November, okay, which is somewhere around 230 to 238. Okay, so this is a hint lah. Okay, we see any chance to rebound when they visit this zone 230 238. Okay, this is a Genting and Genting Malaysia, and this is a Genting. Okay, Genting as well lah. Okay, if we zoom out, yeah, 2021 they also was good lah. Okay, the bounce off, but you can see they tested 5 ringgit, unable to go through. This time February they are getting lower, lower, lower. Okay, so based on previous support level was a 4 ringgit. And if we base on recent momentum, I think they could go below 4, probably 390. Okay, we see any chance at the 390 level. Okay, if they break down, next level is 350 already. Okay, if compared both, I feel Genting Malaysia is slightly stronger. I mean, on the structure wise lah. Okay, but yeah, you still can KIV 4 ringgit and 390. We see any chances over there? How about the West spot? West spot. Yeah. Okay. West spot. Okay, rebounding mode is there. How about okay, and IGM? Okay. West spot is downtrend. Okay, they already break below 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs, sell down. Okay, based on recent performance, okay, if we zoom in, we can see high volume on the last Wednesday, and the market sideways stabilize, stay above 315. Okay, Thursday breakout 323. Okay, Friday supported, and today bounce up a little bit more. Okay, based on uh this structure, I think they do have potential to test the resistance 333. Okay, which is somewhere around the 50 MA. Okay, if they are able to break above 333, next level 343, 350. Okay, for Westport, I think they do have potential to bounce up and test 333. And if they can break through, then we will see more upside on the West spot. And how about the IJM? Hold on, internet a bit slow. Okay, IJM attempt to sell down. Even though last Friday they do supported by 183, 185, but the Thursday already break down. Okay, today another hammer show lah. Okay, volume is not much, but the momentum is sloping down lah. Okay, watch out on this level 181, or maybe I put 180 for them lah. Stay above 180, IGM is still okay, but if they break below, their next support is 173, 174. HSSEB. Okay, today with a hammer. Okay, retest 785, close high, closing 875. Looks like they are still alright. Okay, for this HSSBEB. Okay, I think it's still alright. How about the Ren Hill? So for HSSEB, since they tested 785, the price must stay above lah. Cannot go below. Okay, Rand Hill is still selling down. Okay, the selling pressure is still there. And today they hit one of the support 570. Okay, based on the momentum, I think yeah, they could have chance. They could sell down. I mean they could test a triple five level. Okay, 555. Okay, if they can rebound, watch out on the resistance 590. Okay, what I think lah. These counters, because you see they sell down, they bounce up, they sell down. If they bounce up, unable to go through 590, they might continue sell down. Okay. Ren Hill Lei Hong. Lei Hong, I think a bit blur, this one. 320 was a resistant, okay, you also can see, tested multiple times, June also tested, and recently you see they keep struggle when the price near 320. Okay, even last Monday they do open gap up at 10 breakout, but gonna press down. Okay, so probably this one due to spike up due to the news lah. Okay, and then sell down today got another pump up. So maybe we can see lah. 295, 290 is a support. Stay above, I think still got a little bit potential lah. Okay, at least today got some volume support lah. Okay, for Lei Hong, they need to break through 320 and close above 320, then okay. CIH, hold on, CIH, D, CIHL, okay. Okay, this one, CI Holding, okay. Not in a good shape. Okay, they break down on 4th of October. Okay, break 200 MAs, resisted. Today open gap down. Okay, this one or tentatively, I think they are still weak. Okay, since your EP is 295, but I see they might test 280 level lah. Okay, this one is still weak lah. Okay, 295 is a immediate support. Yeah, which your entry was is okay. Maybe you see here as a support as well. Okay, but if they can go up, maybe better cabut lah. Okay, I feel not so strong. Resistance 303, 311. Okay, if break below 295, next level 280. Okay, Lee form can perform we see ada form tak? Ada volume Okay, zoom out. This counter is a new counters November 2022. Okay, so far these counters they just go sideways since IPO until now. Okay, IPO they pump out, another pump out, then sideways until today. Okay, based on the recent volumes, okay, of Lee form. Okay, you can see since August, September, October. Now it's October lah. Okay, you can see the average volumes looks okay, okay, but okay, just boring lah. Okay, they just go sideways. Okay, yeah, maybe you can say this is a potential accumulation zone. Okay, for them to make a comeback, a strong rally or what, okay, they need to have a breakup. Okay, they just accumulate power. Okay, charging. Okay, once breakout, then do have potential to perform lah. Otherwise, you will see them continue sideways. Maybe you will sideways for another few months. Okay, if potential, I feel yes. Okay, but the time we don't know when they only want to make a comeback. Okay, when they want to do a breakup. Okay, once break 230, 240, okay, once they can clear this zone, okay, just clear this resistance, I think they can perform very well. Okay, due to they already sideways here for quite long already lah. Okay, so tentatively they are just in the sideways mode. Okay, so I think yeah, you still can put in a watch list. Okay, Hobson cover already, so we go for the ACO. Not in a good shape. ACO breakdown to 6.0. Okay, previously they was quite good lah back in 11 of October, but they just hit 285. If we zoom out, okay, 285 was a resistance. okay, back in 2022, January, February. And today already break down 260, retest 240. For me, the short term momentum structure already broke. Not so nice. Okay, not so nice already. Okay, if you still want to fight on, it's a 240 level lah. Okay, break below 240, they might continue sideways. Okay, how about the term? Got these counters. I think don't have, right? Don't have. Okay, so next one is LHI. Okay, LHI same lah. Monday, you know what happened? Market buy on news, make a gap up. Okay, everyone rushed in to buy in, and they hit 640. Okay, which was a support turn into resistance. Okay, ngam they hit 640 and sell down. So consider they are already filled the gap. Okay, around 595. Today they get supported by 60 cents. So potential point of view, I think they yes still have a potential. Okay, so long the closing price above 590, I think it's still all right. Okay, this one is still okay. Okay, SKP resources, RGB and Sealing. SKP. Oh, not so good shape, SKP. They do have a breakdown on 9th of October. Okay, break below 955. Okay, even though the next few days they recover back, also follow with a further sell down. And today price action looks pretty weak. Okay, so for me it's already a cut lah when they break down here. Okay, now back to the another support, which is somewhere around 875. Okay, for me, SKP is a weak. Okay, it's a weak. And you take note on 875 as your immediate support. How about the red, red, green, blue? Okay, RGB. Okay, RGB is still in a sideway. MACD point of view, I think it's still alright. Okay, they are pending to break out above 310 for the rally lah. Otherwise, they might just continue sideways. Okay, if speaking about the chances, I feel they do have, okay, they do have, since they already stable at here, so long they are above 275, this counter is still all right, and they're pending to break above 310. Okay, once they can break through 310, then okay, you will see some upside lah. Okay, otherwise, yeah, momentum wise, all I think is okay. They are just pending for the breakout. Okay, but if they go below, sorry lah, wrong lah. You need to cut loss already. Okay, how about the ceiling? Ta-da! Okay, ceiling hit ceiling already lah, huh? Ceiling was around somewhere around 240. Okay, they've been struggle at 240 quite many days, unable to go through. If we zoom out, we can see here lah. 2021 July resistance. Okay, maximum I see was 265. Okay, based on Thursday candle, they do have a high volume at here at resistance. Next 2 days is a sell down. So for me, it's a profit taking activities. Okay, take note on 215, which is a 20 MA. Stay above, they might still have chance to retest ceiling. Okay, but if they break below 215, then they might come back to 20 cents level lah. Okay, how about DNO Axiata D next? Break 321 also break. This is an extreme level back in 2022 March, also break down. So DNO still not in a good shape unless they can recover back above 320. Okay, so wait lower lah. Okay, this one they could, okay, tentatively 3 ringgit is a immediate support lah. Okay, but they could go as low as 250 or even lower. So for these counters, contoh mata, okay, tunggu dulu, wait some pattern form, okay, or some reversal signal. Okay, so don't take, yeah, they do have rebound signal. I mean just a temporary rebound signal based on today's candles. Okay, this is a 50-minute chart. Okay, as you can see on Monday, which is today lah. Okay, when they sell here, they do form a good volumes. Okay, so just suitable for those who are very fast hand, they can do a rebound trade. Okay, because what I see today, here they do have accumulated a lot of volumes within 303 to 309. Okay, based on here, I think they do have potential to retest 320. Okay, retest 320. But retest whether they can go through or not, we need to see tomorrow closing. Maybe they just bounce and continue sell down. Okay, but if I'm wrong, okay, tomorrow go down, go back below 303, then I think they could break below 3 ringgit lah. Okay, so tentatively based on 50-minute charts, what I detect is a potential bounce up maybe to 315 320 level. Okay, due to oversold as well lah. Okay, and how about the Asiata? Asiata is still in a sideway mode. Okay, nothing much can comment. Okay, MACD point of view looks like they do have already stabilized. Maybe they found a bottom already. So sideway, so long they are above 236, I think it's still all right. And pending to break above 250. Okay, once they can go through 250, I think it's, do have some chance to go up further lah. Okay, for this one, Asiata. How about the D next? D next sideway, okay. Break 420. For me, they are still weak lah. Okay, for me, they are still weak. Still need to wait lah. Okay, the next I think better wait for the better shape. Only consider lah. How about the Vida? Finally got some sell down. Okay, after they push out for so many days. Okay, they today got some profit taking activities. Okay, sometimes they will like this go sideways or sell down for a few days. But at least today we can see got some selling pressure come in. So take note on 535. Okay, break below, then no good. Okay, Peachum. Okay. Petronac. Okay. Previously there was okay one. Last week, see, they are still alright. They somehow able to break above 750, but the next few days, bottom steam lah. Okay, sell down. So for Peachum, take note on 7 ringgit. Okay, crucial level for them. Okay, stay above 7 ringgit. Also consider stay above 200 MAs. Okay, but if they go below 7 ringgit, then also good already lah. Okay, next level they could go 670 or even lower. Okay, next level is 670 already. If 7 ringgit fail to hold. Okay, Dayang. Okay, we left few only lah. Okay, ngam today can finish on time. Okay, Dayang is more on sideway. But the MACD already crossed down, go over. Okay, but we can see lah, since beginning of October until now, actually the movement is quite boring, just go sideways. Okay, 182, 190 sideways aja. So if they break below 182, they could go to 170. Okay, Dayang EPMB. Not so good lah. Okay, maybe we see the gap here, 705. Oh, you can see, they keep resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, in my opinion, these counters are tentatively not so strong. They could visit here, 705. Okay, so wait lower lah. Okay, wait lower. Yeah, even though here is a minor support lah, 785. But if they break, then you can wait around 705. Let me see on the bigger trend. Okay, bigger trend, they are also weak as well. Okay, you can see. Okay, even they bounce up, also get resisted down. So in general, okay, this counter is in a downtrend mode. Okay, last one is a YTL. No good already. YTL actually last Wednesday already break 138. Okay, and I do mention before the MACD already crossing down. So it's not in a good shape. And they already break 138. Okay, currently they are at the 100 MA support 125. If continue to sell down, we might see them to come back to somewhere around 1 ringgit. Okay, but based on current momentum, I feel quite possible to break down lah 125. Okay, maybe in between they might bounce up, sell down. Okay, this is quite possible. Okay, another stocks is a YXPM. Let me see. Totally no idea. YXPM. YX pressure metal. Okay. Oh, got lines. Means I review before lah. Okay, momentum wise, I think quite possible. EP285. Okay, these counters, yeah, I feel if you're interested, I feel they are quite possible lah. Okay, as recently they keep tested 200 MAs and momentum ada. Okay, MACD momentum ada, and Friday today got volumes pump in. Yeah, even 9th of October also got volume pump ins. Okay, for this counter spending to break out 30 cents only. Okay, once they can clear through 30 cents, I think next resistance somewhere around 335. Okay, and yeah, to be honest, if you see here, recently they actually break out above 285 closing 290 volume ada. So means that so long the price don't go below 285, these counters I think is still potential. Okay, the breakout is still valid, and the next resistance we round out for them lah. Okay, 30 cents. No lah, no, sorry, 305. Okay, 305. Once they can clear through 305, then 335 already. Yeah, even though here got a minor gap lah. 315. Okay, 305, 315, 335 is a resistance. So long the price don't go below 285. Okay, if they go below, your last defense is a 200 MAs, 270. Okay, also is a multiple moving averages. Okay, a strong support at 270. Below 285 means the breakout is fail. Okay, but maybe still got chance. Just maybe they will just go sideways. But if they below 270, no game already. Not nice. Okay, thank you everyone for joining our live session. Even though market is very tough lah. Okay, I understand that today our sentiment is like 700 overs counters is rate, so you can imagine the market sentiment is weak and the success rate would be quite lower. Okay. So and also thank you Sifu for having me here. So if you yet to download Sifu S, please go and download now. And we see you again on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday 8:30. Thank you everyone, and see you again.